Hello Bladers! Living in the Philippines means that our car will have to endure the tropical weather. The rain and sun combined all day long. As you check your car exterior, you see white spots. This is most visible with paints like black and red. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for the everyday driver. We're sure we're all on agreement when we say that car water spots are something we all find awful. However, though we all find it weird, water spots are actually caused by sediments, pollutants, and deposits. They are not caused by water. And as such, car water spots have the tendency to make our car's paint wear away. We need to avoid them at all costs. Here are some tips on how to avoid water spots. Number 1. Make sure to be fully equipped for a cleaning. Having the basics of cleaning a car is your first step. Having a microfiber woven cloth in cleaning your car will surely ease your life. Microfiber non-woven cloth displays high-performance water absorption and is similar to leather in texture. The surface is finished with a special urethane treatment. It does not solidify even if it becomes dry, and is very convenient because it helps you to save effort of making it soft again with water. The wider size has improved water absorption and water retaining capacity. Number 2. Wash and wax regularly. We're sure that we all wash our cars because we live in a country where we occasionally get rain. As such, it's super important to wash away mud. However, don't just stop there. Wax your car too so that when it rains, water can just slide off to lessen the chances of water spots. Use a car shampoo to ensure that all the dirt and rainwater is removed. Number 3. Dry your car ASAP. When you wash your car immediately, you can avoid any chance of water evaporating and leaving away sediments. You can also use a pressurized blower to remove water residue in hidden places. Number 4. Use pure water. If you use pure water, then you'll have a lower level of total dissolved solids. And in turn, you will also have a lower degree of hardness and less sediment presence. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your water spot prevention techniques? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.